Ginger. The rhizome ginger has been used in Asia for centuries as a culinary spice and as a medicinal for the treatment of various ailments. The milder young ginger root, as well as the more pungent mature root, is used in Chinese and Japanese cuisine to flavor dishes. In the Qing dynasty, it was even used to make a ginger-flavored liquor called Canton. In Great Britain, ginger is used in the production of a spirited beverage called Krabby's Green Ginger Wine. Both the Orientals and Arabs use ginger infusions to flavor their coffee and tea, while in the West, the traditional use is to flavor cookies and candies, and in the beverage, ginger ale. A medicine ginger root, which is a misnomer as it is not a root but rather a horizontal subterranean stem, is used by traditional Chinese medicine doctors for gastrointestinal illnesses, nausea, vomiting, diarrhea, and arthritic disease. In the United States, it has been used to treat gastrointestinal upset, nausea, motion sickness, pregnancy-induced nausea, and arthritis, mostly in folk medicine and alternative medicine. It may be gradually gaining acceptance in traditional Western medicine in this country, with recent scientific studies reporting positive outcomes. Where to buy ginger? Ginger is widely available in grocery and health stores. How to take ginger? It is recommended that you consume a maximum of 3 to 4 grams of ginger extract per day. If you are pregnant, don't consume more than 1 gram of ginger extract per day. The following are all equivalent to 1 gram of ginger: half a tablespoon of powdered ginger, 1 teaspoon grated raw ginger, 4 cups of water steeped with half a tablespoon grated ginger. Less raw ginger is needed when making tea because certain nutrients in ginger concentrate when heated. Ginger weight loss recipe. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of honey, half an inch of ginger, 1 cup of water. And how to prepare. Wash the part of the ginger root you'll be using. Use a zester to grate half a teaspoon of ginger. Boil 4 cups of water on a stove. Add the ginger once the water is boiling. Remove the ginger water from the heat and let the ginger steep in the water for 10 minutes. Strain the ginger pieces from the water and discard the ginger. Drink ginger water hot or cold. Benefits: ginger helps to reduce inflammation, acts as an antioxidant, increases glucose sensitivity, and stimulates the GI tract, which make it a perfect spice to add to your food or tea to lose weight. These effects are described in numerous studies and go back to the usage as a remedy since hundreds of years in traditional medicine. Precaution: if you have any bleeding disorder, cardiac disease, diabetes mellitus, high blood pressure, hypertension, or low blood pressure, hypotension, consult with your physician. Use in pregnancy is not recommended. However, current data indicates ginger is safe if used at a usual therapeutic dose.